Okay, guys, let's catch up with the not the ketchup, but the catch up. This is our day and prepare for the next one. Zensa, the holding company which engaged in the research, development, manufacture, and commercialization of prescription medicines. The company was founded in London and headquartered in Cambridge, the United Kingdom. That's some British company. That's alarming. Or the Nasdaq. Okay, check. Yeah. Yeah, so it breaks down below with this volume. Yeah, yeah. Sorry, does this volume doesn't look good to me, and even if it forms, yeah. So now we cannot play hourly according to our rules. According to our rules, yeah. And see this volume? That's also weird. Yeah. Now we needed to form some kind of like T1 level and then bounce, and if it doesn't go way too low, we'll keep on watching. So it goes into daily watch category, and we had alarm on Bitcoin. Let's see our Bitcoin right away. This guy what happened here? Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Uh-huh. So that's how it happened, my friends. Biggest volume. So that was our. Oh, that's not the break on the rise. Okay. So we could have been watching. And like, same old story. Oh, okay. So it updated the level. So now it goes like this. Uh huh. So it expanded the ice level. It's still the big, humongous ice of the mm, short balance. However, I mean, you can't really call it short anymore because you see how like it was expanding, expanding, but never broke and changed the trend. And this is all is the part of this correction, which can potentially go into um, one half. Also, like this, and this is our test level. Uh huh. Mm-hmm. Oof. Technically, it's not the biggest volume. However, it has like two. It succeeds two previous bars in volume. So technically, this is a sign of strengthness bar. However, you see it's not a long bar, so there's a splash of volume, but there's no spread. Spread is small, so it's like I believe it's called divergence um, in technical analysis term. We don't use indicators, but basically, yeah, the volume grows, but spread narrows. So yeah, like I can see the splash volume here could have been the reversal of the entire trend. Ooh, yeah, here. So yeah, that's what we've got on daily. On daily. Okay. So hourly is like this. Okay. Okay. You know how anal I am about drawing? Everything needs to be... Maybe because my grandparents all were engineers. I have a thing about drawing on the charts. Oh, hi there. Hey, Casey, what's going on? What's up? No, just sup. Let's be cool. Sup. Trading. So yeah, so our potential entry points were here and then here. Let's see. February 5, 7 a.m. February 5, 7 a.m. Oh, wait. No, we'll backtrade later. Let's just see what's going on right here. Right here. This is what's going on. Broke below. See this like thin layers, thin levels. We draw when the range is so big. So yeah, it's kind of a correction going on right now. And oh, we also could have been checking here actually. Yeah, like starting from here. Oh, what did I? Ooh, I was too early to remove this. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Yeah, something like this. So yeah, we could have been watching around here and then here and then here, of course. But we will backtrade later. For now, how do I? Yeah, I want to get notifications every message. How do? Sound in every message. Okay, here I found it. No, I want to get sound in every message. What's going on? It doesn't allow me to switch over. I want to receive sound in every message. But I can't. I can switch over. I don't know what the heck is wrong with this thing. I'll need to address TradingView in regards. Yeah, let me do the screenshot. For the, you know how I like to annoy TradingView support. Let's do it right now. My support tickets, contact us. Billing data, social network, watch mobile desktop financials, profile settings. Hi, James. Hi, James. James. I'm trying to switch on sound notifications for stream chat, but when I click on, what does it say? It says sound in every message. Sound on every message. It stays on no sound notification. I use Chrome to stream. Thank you. Cordially, Misha. Let's be polite. I hope this message, finds you well. Never hurts to uh, please refer to screen shot attached. Thank you. Okay, let's see what James has to say. Okay, back to, yeah, there's nothing we can do here. It's like she's kind of extended. It's never close to zero point 0.5, but we can put an alarm here and here. Yeah, and let's see our daily stuff before we go into back trading. Mhm. This is, guys, is a test level now. See the first extremum it gives us, and it's around 0.5. So there's nothing that prevents us from trading from here, except for the fact that there was not much volume here. There was some weird volume here, and it's exactly, yeah. So if it forms a good manipulation signal here, even on hourly, we can work of it. Yeah. You got to be super careful because silver spies. Actually, should we start organizing our American stocks? I think we should. So this goes like this. Oh, hold on. We can do it within the, can't we? Add section, exactly. Oh, section. Uh, in indices. Indexes. Indices. How do you write index? Oh, both are acceptable, but this is more cool. Sure, sure. Okay. So here goes spy. Uh-oh. No, 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 that's not what I meant. Spy for sure goes there. No. Ah, did they all want? Oh, now I get it. Okay, anyways, that's where our indices are, and IWAM, of course, is one of them. Hey, and I already saw a GIA and Qs. Yeah, Qs is our NASDAQ, like tech companies. SPY, like say general market. Russell is small caps. Ay, ay, ay. Didn't give us much of a test. So technically, well, we don't play short anyways. Right, we don't play short, but yeah, see how beautiful it is. Correction to 0.5, no volume on the upthrust, and then no volume on the upthrust again. Quack, quack, quack. Never mind. Never mind. This is now here. Was it the biggest volume? Yeah, this was the biggest volume. So test converts to to 2 level. Yeah, everything everywhere looks overextended for now. This guy, like, technically we're in continuation. We can trade in continuation of the trend. However, it looks like exhaustion on monthly and overextended anyway. So technically there's nothing that prevents us from trading from here on hourly, but gotta be like super short, super quick. Okay, now let's go just like stock by stock. This is a energy. It'll take some time, but I think it's worth it. Energy. And what's our XLE? No, actually, energy. Actually, our energy sector. And it's kind of in a balance. So the context is short. So yeah, that's where we're at. But I would pick up for a short deal here. So yeah, you see it's extended, so I wouldn't like hold to dear life. I would just do a quick, all good quickie. Here was an entry point. So sad. Oh gosh, I just can't stand, but need to fix this. Yeah, you see this? Boom, boom. Didn't give us much of a test here, like shoot up. So it would be like wild to enter. But you see, that would have worked. But technically, downward trend, 2-bar spring. We need a test since it's counter trend, but no test for us. It just shoots to the skies. All right. What's XLK? Tech. And we realistically need to tech. This goes to tech too, because Nasdaq is known for tech stocks. What's going on here? Still biggest volume of the long trend. I'm still figuring out my terminology, but ooh, yeah. If it corrects into this is kind, but this was already bearish. Yeah. If this corrects to 0.5, technically you can trade it. This is finance. This is finance. And what's the XLF? Financial. Not finance, financial. I'm sorry. Sorry for my broken English. It's only been 10 years for me in the United States. I'm still a newbie, still a freshman. So that's what's going on here. Technically, we can trade long in continuation of the long trend. You see, it's kind of like 1, 2, 3 bars with no correction at all. Like here, like is a little bit correction, but nothing on monthly yet. So, and see this like exhaustion volume. I think this guy I think financials, everything is due correction now. Uh, Distinctively financials. This is like book. See it hit like 0.5. We could have like been watching to pick up from here. But after this exhaustion volume, that would be so reckless to play anything. And anyways, it wouldn't give us any. Yeah, doing nothing. And second time it comes to 0.5, it's too late. It's too late, you guys. And the biggest volume is here. Don't forget it. So we also need to put like boom. You see, it actually holds. It still holds. The low is 38.77. The close is 38.75. No, officially it broke by 2 points. But I mean, I'm just fooling around. It's like really reckless to trade anywhere around here. Who is this guy? Um, Accenture PLC. I only trade stocks or ETFs that pay dividends. Services company that helps the world's business, government, and are going to build their digital core. Yeah, tech. Uh, it says financials. Wait. Oh no. Slow me. um, it's financials of the company. What? Mm, is it tech? It's tech. Why has it been traded on NYSE though? On New York Stock Exchange, not on Nasdaq. Um, Once again, it's tech. It's a global professional service. The company combines technology and leadership in cloud. Yeah. This is tech. So here, um, yeah, I would trade something from here. Something from these guys. Yeah, that would be nice. You can pick up from here something like small, short, and nice and sweet. Okay, who is this guy? This is a British guy holding which engages in the research, development, manufacture, medicine, so pharmaceuticals, or what do you call it in English? And selection, pharma, pharma, pharma. What's our index for pharma? Uh, Consumer, technology, healthcare, consumer. Is it healthcare? Consumer? Yeah, it's healthcare. Communication services. Yeah, it's called healthcare. Ooh, look at our healthcare. It's at historical levels. Healthcare. Let's let's learn proper. Ooh, ooh la la. Look at this guy. This guy. Did it reach the high 3.42? High 3 point. Not quite yet. It misses the all-time high by 11 points. The volume, yeah, no guys, this is gonna go down at least for a correction. So yeah, I think it will just drop over earnings. I never play like all this condors or whatever. Like I never play over earnings or dividends. I just like stay in my deal. Pepsi, the the trade we all missed, or at least I did. I don't know about you guys. And now it's kind of like we can draw thin lines, thin levels in continuation in the direction of the trend because our context is bullish, and the gosh, the help me, the incoming direction of the trend is bullish as well as long. So and the biggest volume is of course reverse, reverse. So that makes this his biggest volume, which already been tested. So and it's 0.52, you see. So yeah, we can look for something in 0.5, but not till then. Nvidia's tag. Boom. This train goes without us. This train goes without us. Oh no, we need to stay on our previous. And that wasn't the level. Where was the previous level? Ooh. No, this was the previous level because it took 2 bar. Take 2 bar. Took 2 bar. Oh, and it. See, this looks like an exhaustion volume. Right there. This looks like an exhaustion. You see, spread is narrowing. Volume is very big. The only comparable, the only bigger volume is here. La la. Yeah. This looks good. On monthly, it looks bullish. It looks bullish on monthly. On daily, though, this looks like an exhaustion volume a little bit. We'll see. We'll give it some time. Oh, wait. Pepsi. For Pepsi, we need the section. Consumer goods. What do you call it? Pepsi. Consumer goods. Or like staple. Look at this staple thing I'm still not getting. Doesn't just stick to my mind. Technology, consumer discretion, consumer staples. Let me just Google it right now. Consumer staples. Staples. Okay. The term consumer staples refers to a set of essential products used by consumers. This category includes things like food and beverages. Okay, so staples. Okay. XLP consumer staples, right? Staples. Let's Google staples. Staple, yeah. Because today at the audition I asked staple. Today at the audition I asked for stapler because my headshot and resume were not attached together. And the dude at the reception, he wasn't mean, but people kind of some show their language supremacy sometimes. And he was like, "What?" I was like, "Stapler." And he was like, "Oh, you mean stapler?" I was like, "Yeah, stapler." And he gave me a stapler. That was cool. Yeah, this is extended. You see, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and you see how spread narrows. Um, we'll have to see. We'll have to see about this one. About staples, consumer staples. 1, 2, 1, 2. That wasn't like this. Looked like a balance a little bit, but anywho, it's not a balance anymore. Whatever it was, it broke here, and now it's the first. The question is though, where our levels are. 1, 2, 1, 2. You cannot call it. No, I cannot call it a balance. So it is a consumer staples, not staples. And if you stay staples, gotta fix your English. Oops. Okay. Uh, yeah, I think a lot of people think I'm nuts. You guys, look at this volume. Tell me it's not an exhaustion. See, I'll show you right now. So this is how consumer staples did. Growing volume, and that's like good. Like normal, and that's a sign of the reversal. Like volume grows, and then it gives this long day candle, and then boom, boom, all this volume is consumed, and it's a bigger volume, biggest volume of the long impulse, the entire long wave, even on daily. Well, on daily, the like volume distribution is different, but you mean I'm saying you know what I mean? I said I think you see what I'm meaning. Boom, boom, boom. Tell me if not a reversal. So like technically you can play up here, but realistically, wow, you got to be a really, really brave man in order to do that. Brave and reckless, like YOLO kind of guy. Yeah, boom, you see this. Not even a test, just like bam, with this volume. Yeah, we can, I mean, we can put it on watch, on daily, but realistically, it goes to correction. Our Pepsi, however, okay, that's our, mm, okay, what is it? Teach me. Broadcom, telecommunication, right? It says technology, which design develops and applies semiconductors. Oh, wait. And infrastructure software, no, it's tech. Sorry. It was like Broadcom. It's a telecom. Wow. Wow. So this was the low for test, low 0023, and close was 00. So technically it broke the test level. Yeah, realistically though, you see it bounced because low was 00.23, close was 0001, so below. However, it was very sweet. On daily. Yeah, no, this train went without us. And according to our rules, we should not be playing it here, maybe now from here. Uh, with the whole tag being overextended. JP Morgan, yeah, can go higher. Nice up thrust. Now it's in the test. Can go lower. Like, why do we even mark? Oh, we marked it on daily because we can play off here if it ever goes here. Master course is financial. Down, down. It's an up thrust. There's no volume, however. Technically, yeah, this looks good. We can pick it up from here if you want to. That's Home Depot. What's Home Depot? Is it retail or industries? Let's see. Um, consumer, just industrial communication services. Select. It's materials, real estate. I think it's consumer discretionary, right? Because consumer discretionary. Because what is consumer discretionary? And second right of non-essential consumer. Yeah, it's consumer discretionary because your home supplies and repair materials are Oh, now I understand the term discretionary. Okay, okay, okay. Now I get it. Mm, section, section, consumer discretionary. Did they did they spell it right? Because I'm known to misspell from discretion, great discretionary, discretionary. Wow, it's amazing, but it looks like it. You see how sweet it is? Was there a volume? Yeah, volume on the second bar. You can just play it here. Boom. You take the profit once. And da-da. Now you need to wait a test because the ice of this balance is expanding. However, it's still in 0.5 retracement and 1212. Yes, it's a balance. So like first profit was here. You didn't need no. Hold on. Open 6.11, close 608. Well, I mean, if you played it there, that would be a loss. That's why I don't play short on American stocks. See this volume, but it didn't go. So here is the test. You can play it short, or if you can. Oh no, there's nothing to. Yeah, not even a chance. However, that was kind of no. It's like below zero point 0.5. I think it's well below 0.5. Yeah, it's like too low for down 5. Below the 0.5. Yes, yes, yes. No. Yeah. There's no volume, no splash of volume on the upthrust of this expanding level. However, on the ice creek that was a T2, we don't need volume because it's counter trend. It doesn't need necessarily volume. But anywho, our and it's like testing the upthrust right now. Our consumer discretionary are looking bearish. However, this guy tries to go bullish. You gotta see. Costco's staples. Learn how to pronounce it, dude. Staples. Of 552, 530. So technically it's a breakthrough now. Ooh. It's a breakthrough. Pipiam, pipiam, pipiam. Yeah, oh no, we don't want to see it on monthly. Only daily and hourly, please. So the biggest volume of the trend. See how well above 0.5 the whole shebang is. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, no, I don't think there's much for us, even like on hourly. The volume is good though. The biggest volume is here, right in 0.5. So like technically you can play it on hourly of this level. Yeah, nothing alarming on hourly. Technically, like you can. There is nothing that that forbids you to play it on hourly. We'll put an hourly mark on it. It's workable. Bank of America. Ooh, sexy 2-bar upthrust. Didn't even go to test. However, like in 0.5 right now. And yeah, I can resume higher. However, you see the spread. It's like weird that this volume increased not on the jump over creek, but the reaction bar is this like tail down. So this volume is attributed to. Yeah, this looked like exhaustion volume. and then it grinds lower, but then goes up again for retest. Now retests. Yeah, no, you gotta be like a little psycho to trade it here, but we'll keep an eye. Qualcomm. Is it tech or telecommunication? Engage in developing and commercializing foundational technologies and products using mobile devices and other wireless products, right? So it's communication, right? Where does it say like which industry it is? Because it should say somewhere. Um, Gosh, it's so annoying. Like it should be like saying somewhere for noobs. Oh, maybe hold on. Change ticker logo description. No ticker, or maybe description for now. No, I'll stick to sticker. I think it's oh Qualcomm. Okay, I think it's communication. It's not technology. Qualcomm. Qualcomm. Uh, uh, Gosh, why is it so hard? Like it's Nasdaq, so technically it's a semiconductor company. No, if it's semiconductor, it's definitely tech. But like, why? Why industry? Industry. Okay. What is English Qualcomm? It says telecom equipment semiconductors, but it's like definitely tech, right? You know what? I'll put it into tech. Maybe it also qualifies for. And anywho, yeah. What we're talking here about? The jump over creek level, bro. Hey, stop! Don't do it to me. Yeah. There's nothing really to look for. Look at this gap on monthly. What happened here? You guys. Ta-da! Volume. But anyhow, yeah, nothing here. IBM is our tech. Oh, I know IBM. Boom! It closed below the level of. Told you. That's an exhaustion volume. Do-do-do. A little bit like above the all-time highs. We can put it here, like dots. It's not a like level of resistance, but however, the level that market most likely is gonna respect. IBM after all these years, all the blue hair crowd that was faithfully holding the stock for 10 years. We'll break even maybe like in 15 years after. I'm so bad, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have said that, but I did. Anyhow, there's nothing for us here. I don't know why I keep it on daily. Yeah, we can keep an eye on monthly, but yeah, there's not much. Ooh, I like this pinky for the blue hair crowd that's been holding. Who are you? General Dynamics Corporation, Global Aerospace and Defense, ooh, which engage in design, engineering. It's gonna be industries, right? General Dynamic Corporate, General Dynamic, General, General Dynamic, Dynamic. Yeah, uh, I think this is like arms industry company. Ooh, ooh. Who wants to become a sponsor of war? Anyone? Because I already am through Lockheed Market. Yeah, I'm a terrible person. Industrial, XLI, industrial. Ooh, industrial is in top. Consumer discretion, industrial, industrial. I am in industries. Industries. Is it what it was saying? Industrial. Industrial. Um, However, no, it broke. It broke. Oh no, it's there. Sorry. Oops, oops. I'm sober, guys. I promise you. It's been a long day without audition. Yeah, it's a resistant level, but technically, it's still a long trend. So I'll keep watching it. I don't know why it says, but GDM like so overextended. Technically, we can play it of T2 level. This does not belong to month. It's the Sunday and hour. And you guys write me something. I want to hear from you. I want to hear from you. More realistically from here, but technically we can trade into continuation of the trend. So once it touches here, we can. Lockheed Martin, and we become a celebrated, decorated hodler of the Lockheed Martin and sponsor of war, unless it will give us a chance to break even here. If not, we'll be just holding, collecting dividends. 3.5 per share, so it's like what, like less than 1%? Whatever it is, we'll be holding coin. Coin is tech or actually financials. Where did they place it? Coin base, coin base industry. Cryptocurrency. What industry is coin? Tech. Well, it's weird. It's tech. It's more like financial. Ooh. Look at this. However, you see the correction volume exceeds the biggest volume of the long trend, long impulse. This is no bueno, like at all. So picking up from here can result in, and you see this volume. We'll keep an eye. Oh, the thing is, we're still right. That's we're holding. If it bounces from here and goes up, it's good. If it breaks below this level, I think I'm gonna sell. Plug. Looking good. In what regard? Oh yeah, we already figured it's like in the middle of nowhere right now. Looking good to sell. But I'll wait a little bit. Energy is energy. Roku is, it's like gaming, it's tech. Roku industry. Roku. Streaming TV service through what type? Streaming television. So is it communication now? Technology, healthcare, consumer, utilities, consumer staples, industrials, communication services. Is it? Because I think it is. Or at least I put it here for now. And communication. It's either tech or communication. Also, didn't technically. Wait, what? And then it breaks. Yes. Nothing happens. Yeah. Ooh, you see that? But it's way above point 0.5. Doesn't make sense, but yeah, I wouldn't trust it. Hey, where did Roku go? Hey, Roku, you go to communication. I'm sorry, bro. Uh, is it Bristol Myers? Yes, we manufacture, marketing, and sale of biopharmaceutical healthcare. Healthcare. Yeah, technically we should wait for. What was this? Anyone knows? Well, definitely broke below it, whatever it was. Yeah. I shouldn't be even watching it on daily. It's really a monthly thing right now. Pfizer Healthcare or Pfizer. Yeah, we rearranged this. Still so attractive. I would buy from here if it bounces with a good spring. At least for a short trade from point 0.5. It technically isn't a downfall, but regardless of how you see how I changed it, regardless if you see it as a balance or a downward fall, it's in a point 0.5 retracement. And last time it was at this level 15 years ago, at the low of zero point 0.5 retracements of the entire long trend. It's very, very sexy right now. Who's this guy? Uh, Investment management services. So financial. Um, is there a way to organize your watch list so that it automatically sort it? You know what? Well, it's nice for me to get introduced to all the companies, but we also have James. Watch list, exactly. Hi, James. Is there a way to automatically sort to automatically form a list of stocks and ETFs that pay dividends and dividends? What? Dividends sorted by industry. Let's throw that. Thank you for your help. Let's throw this spin to James and see how he will deal with it. Cordially, cordially, Misha. Let's see what he has to say. How much do we have left? I'm kind of tired. Throw, yeah, that would be sexy to see it here. Uh, Diageo engagement of alcoholic beverage. Is alcohol? Uh, is alcohol all drinks uh, staples or discretionary? Uh, is alcohol drinks staples? Alcoholic drinks are considered consumer staples. Yeah, sure. That's sad. I wish it wasn't. um, yeah, it's in point 0.5. If it like knocks here and like then makes a spring, then we can trend it, but not before it. Uh, is it British American Tobacco? Yeah, unfortunately, I'm pretty positive it's also consumer freaking staples, even though it shouldn't. Same deal, downward trend. Ooh, it's way below point 0.5. I hope it will just die. But I also will buy it if it's in a good level. Ay, ay, ay. Mm, Well, engaging with iron ore pellets, manganese, and iron alloys. So this is materials. Yeah. Well, well, well. As a industry, industry. Metal and mining. So materials. Yeah. Okay. Wait, what? Okay. Uh, ooh, I'm booked. Okay. Okay. Um, so once again, okay. Sorry, I got distracted. Industrial materials. I think this is materials, right? All right, thank you. Well, what does it do in our list? It does pay dividends. Um, uh, look at this massacre. Yeah, it's kind of at the creek level of the balance. Splash on the 2-bar up thrust. This can go down. These guys. Semiconductor stack. Woo. What's woo? It's also Vanguard, S&P. Vanguard, S&P. Where do we put it? You can put it under indices. It's like a general market. And nothing here for us anyways. What's the... It's some Vanguard total stock, yeah. It can just hang like under indices. Sucks. What sucks? Semiconductor goes to tech. Oh, the rain is over. You see the birds chirping? And target is our consumer staples. Okay, continuation. We're expecting, this is a resistant level right now, but we're expecting continuation of the long trend. Oh, it's in 0.5. I don't know why it's even like, it shouldn't be really. Consumer staples look for a correction. Okay, that's it for today, guys. So for tomorrow, we'll be... Okay, let's try what happens if we... Yeah. Okay, so that's how it can work in every industry. Yeah, you see now we have it sorted out. Okay. So for tomorrow, really, this can be our trade. Why is it? No, nothing here for hourly. Exxon. we'll be looking into Exxon with the correction of 2-bar spring. Really. So if it springs this level, yeah, this can be released. Yeah. And this pretty much why Costco is in green. Oh, we can be looking for a trade on hourly, but it needs to come here, right? And this volume on correction, yeah, it needs to come here. So no, it needs to touch it here. And that's about it. So Exxon, what we have, the rest is Qualcomm, Visa, JP Morgan, and this guy, Casco. Yeah. Oops, sorry. This is close. So this whatever military stock, arm merchants, and I'm an arm merchant selling deadly weapons to Uganda. So yeah, this guy potentially. Yeah, up here. And excellent. Okay, let's take a break. I'm tired. See you guys soon.